Hey everybody, it's MegaPanzer13. I'm here doing a review of the LEGO City mining truck. For this one, I could not find the box, so I'll just have to go with what I have. It comes with one minifigure, which is this cool mining dude here. And here. And then take off its helmet. He has a sweaty face. And his helmet is and then with the white clear stud. Now I'm not sure why, but LEGO has retired this set. So if you don't have it, well, see what you can do. I mean, I know lots of toy shops around me keep them around, like they'll have extras and stuff, but this will probably be a collector's set. It comes with one piece of dynamite with the timer on it, then a blasting zone sign, and now for the best part, the truck, which for some reason has dust on the windshield. Okay, if I can turn this up here, see? Now, just to show you, give you the size, since my hands are really small, that's the license plate. Here's the minifigure. I can't even, here, I'll step back a little here, and that's like how the size comparison is. And then we have the ladder. Underneath is the grill. The ladder is for the minifigure to climb on, like that. And I have seen ones, and this is very realistic looking, I think, because I've seen ones in real life, and they look pretty much like this. Engine. This is like a little walk area, I guess you could call it. And then we have a cab, which, turn that, I will take this up here. As you can see, double-sided, very nice, I think. And then there's no plate, so the minifigure doesn't attach, but I'll put them in there. Then probably the most favorite part, the bed of the truck here, which I think is just totally awesome. See in the back, the license plate, this is actually to stop it. And put this forward. This can come down. So that's what the back of the bed looks like. If I turn this back up, that is huge. Now it also comes with some rocks. And I'll put the rocks in. These are the two rocks it comes with. One has gold in it, and the other does not. But I will put these in to show you what it looks like, which it looks like that. And they do, kind of surprisingly, they have a little like flat area, I guess you could call it, way down there, where they can just stand regularly. And that's really it for this set. Not sure of the price. It could be $49.99, I'm not sure, but this is a great set. I'm looking forward to reviewing the last 3 mining sets in the series, and more reviews will be coming, so like, comment, subscribe, and that's it.